Gauri, studying in class 8 of Sanskriti school. Today, I would like to show you few of my glass paintings. These paintings are on glass bottles. These paintings are on glass sheet.
Hi, my name is Adarsh K and I am studying in 8th standard. Today I am going to show you some photographs taken by me.
नमस्ते, मम नाम लक्ष्मी पी सन्तोष भवति। अहम् अष्टमी कक्षायां पठामि। अस्मिन् प्रदर्शिन्याम् आरोग्यसंरक्षणविषये योगशास्त्रं महात्माधिकृत्य किञ्चित् वक्तुम् इच्छामि। आरोग्यं सर्वसाधनं। योगस्य शास्त्ररूपेण अवधारणा मुनिवर्ये पतञ्जलि कृतम्। योगशास्त्रं चित्तवृत्ति निरोधरूपम्। यमः, नियमः, आसनं, प्राणायामः, धारणा, ध्यानं, समाधि इति अष्टाङ्गानि। तेषु आसनस्य लक्षणम् उक्तम्। सुकृतमनुकूलं चालयत् तदासनम्। प्रथमः आसनम्, उदनासनम्। परिघासनम्, पद्मासनम्, परिवृत्त त्रिकोणासनम्, गोमुखासनम्, उपविष्ट कोणासनम्, बकासनम्, बालासनम्, गरुडासनम्। धन्यवाद।
Hi all, my name is Gauri, studying on class 8 of Sanskriti school. Today, I would like to show you an algebraic expression identities chart. Here we came to know about identity 1 and identity 2. In identity 1, it is a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a plus b into a plus b equals a plus b whole square. So we need to multiply a into a square, a into b, ab, b into a, b into b square. So from this we need to find the like terms or common terms. There is only ab plus ba. So a square plus ab plus ba equals 2ab plus b square. This is identity 1. In identity 2, it is the common opposite or straight subtraction of identity 1. Here we came to know that a minus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b into a minus b equals a minus b whole square. So multiply a into a square minus A into B, AB, minus B into A, BA, minus B into B, B square. So the common is only AB minus BA. That equals A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Hi everyone, I am Gayatri PA. I'm studying in 8th standard of Samskriti school. Today I am going to show you my best out of waste materials. This is a pencil box. I made it with a toothpaste tube. So let's take the toothpaste box and stick color paper, then stick the glitter tape, then add some decorating items to it. So this is my pencil box. Next item is a bottle art. This I have done with pencil shavings. The waste part of pencil, I'll stick it as a dress of this girl. So this is my materials. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi all, my name is Gauri. I am studying in class 8 of Samskriti school. Today I would like to show you few of my best out of waste. These three I had made from waste bottles. So we can paint the waste bottles and use to plant our plant. This bottle I had made from plastic and painted it. And these flowers I had made from plastic bags. So instead of throwing it or burning it, it is the best way to reuse them. These three I had made from the glass bottle which we usually use it to throw. So by painting them, we can use it to decorate our chokers. These all drawings I had made from the object which we usually see but we never mind. It is a mushroom which we see on the trees. So I just painted it. According to their shape, we can paint a different types of sceneries or face on it.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ കൃഷ്ണപ്രിയ സംസ്കൃതി സ്കൂളിലെ 8ാം ക്ലാസ് വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനിയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ മലയാളത്തിന്റെ പ്രിയ കവയിത്രിയായ സുഗതകുമാരി ടീച്ചർ നമ്മോട് വിട പറഞ്ഞ് അധിക നാളായില്ല. കേരളത്തിന്റെ സാമൂഹിക രംഗത്തും സാഹിത്യ രംഗത്തും ഈ കവയിത്രിയുടെ സംഭാവനകൾ ചെറുതല്ല. സുഗതകുമാരി ടീച്ചറുടെ ജീവചരിത്ര കുറിപ്പ് പറയുവാനാണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ നിൽക്കുന്നത്. 1934 ജനുവരി 22 പത്തനംതിട്ട ജില്ലയിലെ ആറന്മുളയിലായിരുന്നു ജനനം. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ സമര സേനാനിയും കവിയുമായിരുന്ന ബോധേശ്വരനും DK കാർത്യായനി അമ്മയുമാണ് മാതാപിതാക്കൾ. ഡോക്ടർ K വേലായുധൻ നായരാണ് ജീവിത പങ്കാളി. തത്വശാസ്ത്രത്തിൽ MA ബിരുദം നേടി. കേരളത്തിന്റെ സാമൂഹിക രംഗത്ത് ഈ കവയിത്രിയുടെ സംഭാവനകൾ പലതാണ്. സൈലം വാലി പ്രക്ഷോഭത്തിൽ ഒരു വലിയ പങ്ക് വഹിച്ചു. സംസ്ഥാന വനിതാ കമ്മീഷന്റെ അധ്യക്ഷയായിരുന്നു. മലയാളത്തിന്റെ നിശബ്ദവനം എന്നറിയപ്പെടുന്ന ഈ കവയിത്രി അന്തരിച്ചത് 2020 ഡിസംബർ 23-നാണ്. പ്രധാന കൃതികൾ: മുത്തുച്ചിത്തി, പാതിരാപ്പൂക്കൾ, പാവം മാനവ ഹൃദയം, പ്രണാമം, ഇരുൾ ചിറകുകൾ, രാത്രിമഴ, അമ്പലമണി, കുറിഞ്ഞിപ്പൂക്കൾ, തുലാവർഷപ്പച്ച, രാധയെവിടെ, കൃഷ്ണ കവിതകൾ, മേഘം വന്നു തൊട്ടപ്പോൾ, വാഴത്തേൻ, ദേവദാസി, മലമുകളിലിരിക്കെ, സൈലം വാലി, വായാടിക്കിളികൾ, കാടിനു കാവലായി. പുരസ്കാരങ്ങൾ: കേരള സാഹിത്യ അക്കാദമി അവാർഡ്, പാതിരാപ്പൂക്കൾ എന്ന കൃതിക്കാണ് ലഭിച്ചത്. കേന്ദ്ര സാഹിത്യ അക്കാദമി പുരസ്കാരം രാത്രിമഴ എന്ന കൃതിക്കാണ് ലഭിച്ചത്. ഓടക്കുഴൽ പുരസ്കാരം അമ്പലമണി എന്ന കൃതിക്കാണ് ലഭിച്ചത്. വയലാർ അവാർഡ് അമ്പലമണി എന്ന കൃതിക്കാണ് ലഭിച്ചത്. ലളിതാംബിക അന്തർജനം അവാർഡ്, വള്ളത്തോൾ അവാർഡ്, കേരള സാഹിത്യ അക്കാദമി ഫെലോഷിപ്പ്, പത്മശ്രീ പുരസ്കാരം, ബാലാണിയമ്മ പുരസ്കാരം, ഇന്ദിരാ പ്രിയദർശിനി വ്യക്തിമിത്ര അവാർഡ്, അത് പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണത്തിനായുള്ള പുരസ്കാരമാണ്. എഴുത്തച്ഛൻ പുരസ്കാരം, സരസ്വതി സമ്മാൻ എന്നീ ബഹുമതികൾക്ക് ഉടമയായിട്ടുണ്ട്. നന്ദി.
Hi, my name is Gauri, studying on class 8th of Sanskriti school. Today I am having a chart of constellation. Imagine this round is an earth. There is north position, south position, west position and east position. Inside that there are so many constellations figures. This is Ursa Major, this is Ursa Minor, Corona Barilus, Hercules, Aquila, Ignis, Cephas, Cassiopeia, Perseus, Iris, Taurus, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricornus and Sagittarius.
Hi friends, I am Lakshmi and today I am here to show you some photographs which I have taken in my journeys.
Hi all, my name is Gauri. I am studying in class 8 of Sanskriti school. Today I would like to show you a few of my pencil drawings.
Priya from 8th standard at Sanskriti school, and today I am going to present angles and property of triangle. These are the three angles of the triangle which I trimmed apart from this triangle. This is how it looks like when you trim apart these three angles. And as you can see, when these three angles are combined together, it makes half circle. And as we all know, a full circle measures 360 degrees. So the half circle will measure 180 degree, 360 by 2. And angles are property of a triangle. Sum of all angles of a triangle will always be 180 degree. Hence true. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gauri. I am studying in class 8 of Sanskriti school. Today I would like to show you a few of my photographies.
My name is Adarsh K and I am studying in class 8. Today I am going to show you my project for the science exhibition. My project is called the Newton's Cradle. The Newton's Cradle is a device that demonstrates conservation of momentum and energy using a series of swinging spheres. When one sphere at the end is lifted and released, it strikes the stationary spheres, transmitting a force through the stationary sphere that pushes the glass sphere upward. Now let's see it's working.
Hi all, my name is Gauri, studying class 8 of Samskriti School. Today, I would like to introduce few of my drawings and paintings. These 3 paintings are mural. By these pictures, I would like to inform you that how beautifully our God had made our nature. Try not to destroy them. These 2 pictures are, as we all know, Mahatma Gandhi and Chachaji. I think this is the most meaningful picture in my whole collection. This picture means that if we are cutting each and every tree, that means we are killing a life. So try not to do that. These 2 paintings I had done on mushroom. The first one is one of the part of Theyyam is called Muttappan, and this, as we all know, peacock.
I'm Krishnapriya from 8th standard at Samskriti School, and here I am presenting still model of rainwater harvesting system. These can be made at our homes, and as we all know, the amount of fresh water is decreasing day by day, and it is very essential for us to save fresh water because fresh water is necessary for us to live. And rainwater is the freshest water which is available. And this process saves fresh water. First, we should make a rooftop water storage at the rooftop of our house and connect it to the well using pipes or any other linking objects, so that when the fresh water reach at the rooftop water storage, it will directly reach to the well. There the fresh water is stored. This process prevents water scarcity too. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri. I'm studying in 8th standard of Samskriti School. Today I'm going to show you my craft. This I made it with different colors of color paper and a piece of cardboard, Fevicol and scissors. Cut different colors of color paper in square shape and fold it like this. Then we have to cut the cardboard in circle shape and stick a color paper in the back side of this cardboard. Then stick the different colors of color paper which we have folded like this. So our this craft is ready. Now my next craft is a wall hanging craft. This also I made with this like flowers. Take a piece of cardboard in circle shape and stick the paper in the back side of that cardboard. Then stick the flowers and at the middle add some decorating items and stick the sticks with paper and stick the papers at the end of the stick. So these all are my craft. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi all, my name is Gauri. I am studying in class 8 of Samskriti School. Today I would like to show you how trees prevent us from the landslide. So I'm having two plots. One is having no trees and one is having trees. So let us see what happens when heavy rains come. So in the first plot, let us see what happens when heavy rains come. Did you see that? When heavy rain is coming, all the soil is going down and the house fallen away. This is happening while in the landslide where there is no trees. So let us see what happened where there is trees. So the second floor, the heavy rain is coming. But do you notice? Nothing happened to the soil and the house. That is because trees is having a power to hold the soil. So while heavy rain is coming, the trees will hold the soil and it will prevent us from the landslide. So by this we came to know that try to build trees around our house. Thank you.